140-kilometer. The estimated minimum central pressure, based on aircraft data, is 945 millibars, 27.91 inches. Flood watch in effect through Monday evening. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flood watch for East Central Florida, including the following areas: coastal Volusia County, Indian River, inland Volusia County, Martin, northern Brevard County, northern Lake County, Okeechobee, Orange, Osceola, Seminole, southern Brevard County, southern Lake County, and St. Lucie. Through Monday evening, Hurricane Irma will move toward South Florida Sunday morning and progress northward up the Florida Peninsula Sunday night. Tropical rain bands with locally heavy rainfall will begin to affect the area on Saturday and Saturday night ahead of Irma, with the core of the heavy rain arriving by Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. Widespread rainfall totals are expected in the 8 to 12-inch range Saturday through Monday, with isolated amounts reaching 15 to 18 inches in spots. The heavy rainfall will have a high potential to cause flooding of low-lying flood-prone areas. Flooding will also affect roadways, creeks, and small streams. Remember to not drive across flooded roadways. Turn around. Don't drown. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flash flood watch remains in effect through Monday evening. The flash flood watch continues for a portion of South Florida, including specific areas of western Palm Beach County. Through Monday evening, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers has reported that the threat of Hurricane Irma could produce overwash or overtopping at Herbert Hoover Dike culvert construction sites during the storm event, including locations near and around C-12 culvert construction site near Pahokee and Belle Glade. Impact: there is a possibility of flooding within the specified areas due to significant overwash that could aggravate local flooding conditions during the storm event. This concern is greatest for locations around C-12 culvert. Mandatory evacuations for towns along the Lake Okeechobee shore, including Pahokee, South Bay, Lake Harbor, Crooked Lake, Pelican Lake, and Canal Point by order of the governor. A flash flood watch means there is a possibility of flash flooding within specified areas adjacent to Lake Okeechobee due to overwashing or overtopping. A flash flood watch does not mean a breach has occurred or is imminent. Stay tuned to the latest information and the advice of your local emergency management officials. Move to a safe location if an evacuation order is issued for your area, overwashing, overtopping, or breach occur, or a flash flood warning is issued for your area. Flood watch remains in effect through Monday evening. Flood watch continues for a portion of South Florida, including the following areas: coastal Broward, coastal Collier, coastal Miami-Dade, coastal Palm Beach, far south Miami-Dade, inland Broward, inland Collier, inland Miami-Dade, mainland Monroe, Metro Broward, Metro Miami-Dade, and Metro Palm Beach. Through Monday evening, excessive rainfall from Hurricane Irma, which will lead to possible widespread flooding. Impacts: flood waters entering structures, significant to major street flooding with road closures, areas of rapid inundation at underpasses, low-lying and poor drainage areas, and possible evacuations and rescues due to flood waters. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 481, effective until midnight Sunday. This watch includes the following counties: in Florida: Broward, Collier, Glades, Henry, Lee, Miami-Dade, Monroe, and Palm Beach, and the following marine locations: Biscayne Bay, coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, extending from 20 nautical miles to the territorial waters of Bahamas, Lake Okeechobee, coastal waters from Jupiter